Member of the House of Assembly for Makoni South, Cde Misheck Mataranyika, and 2 ZANU PF officials cheated death by a whisker when their campaign vehicle slipped and rolled thrice before plunging into Tamuka Dam in the Mt Zonwe area last week. The legislator was traveling with comrades Kenneth Parapata, the Makoni DCC member, and Blessing Zakaraswa, a district youth chair, who were the first to break the back passenger windows of the submerged Isuzu double cab and escaped to safety. No one was injured in the mishap, which occurred on 13 March around 8 p.m. A retrieval mission of the submerged vehicle took 2 days as the ground was wet due to Tropical Storm Freddy-induced rains.